Welcome to our comparison of the Corsair RM1000e and RM850e power supply units. Both of these PSUs are fully modular and offer excellent performance, but they cater to different needs based on wattage and price. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best choice for your system. The Corsair RM1000e provides a robust 1,000 watts of power, making it ideal for high-end gaming rigs and systems with multiple GPUs. In contrast, the RM850e offers 850 watts, which is sufficient for many high-performance builds, but may limit future upgrades. If you're planning on using power-hungry components, the RM1000e gives you the headroom you need. When it comes to pricing, the RM1000e is priced at $179, reflecting its higher wattage and capabilities. On the other hand, the RM850e is more budget-friendly at $129, making it an excellent choice for users who don't require as much power. This price difference can significantly impact your overall build cost, especially for budget-conscious builders. Both power supplies are highly rated, with a 4.6 out of 5 stars based on thousands of reviews. The RM1000e is praised for its performance and future-proofing capabilities, while the RM850e is celebrated for its excellent value and sufficient power for most gaming setups. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM1000e and RM850e are exceptional power supplies, each catering to different user needs. If you have a high-demand system, the RM1000e is the way to go. However, for those with moderate power requirements, the RM850e offers fantastic performance at a lower price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.